Guys are often hard to read, and it can be difficult to know what they're thinking or how to make them fall for you. Even if you have all the right looks, if you don't know how to speak to a guy's heart, he won't be able to see you as anything more than a friend. And even worse, he might give you his interest for a while just to string you along until he meets someone else. The key is understanding how men think and what truly triggers their emotions. With the right words, you can make a guy fall for you without even trying. By using psychological phrases that appeal to his emotions, you will ignite feelings of love and attraction inside him that will keep him thinking about you all the time. So make sure to use these 14 powerful phrases only when you're sure that he's the right guy for you. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. You're so interesting. When a man hears this phrase from a woman, it activates something inside him that makes him feel special and interesting. It's a validation of his manhood and ego, and it makes him feel good about himself. When you make a guy feel good about himself, he will naturally be attracted to you and want to be around you more. If you pay attention to this phrase, you'll notice that it's not about telling the person they're good looking. It's about saying that they're interesting, which has a much deeper meaning. Number 2. I've never met a guy as motivated as you. According to a study done by the University of Kansas, men are more attracted to women who compliment them on their achievements and ability to provide. This phrase tells a man that you see him as a provider and that you're impressed by his motivation and drive. When a woman expresses this to a man, it makes him feel like he can protect her and that she trusts him. It's a major turn-on for guys and will definitely make them want to pursue you more. Number 3. I can't wait to see you again. If you want him to think about you all the time, then this phrase is key. It creates anticipation and excitement in a man and makes him feel like he's always looking forward to something when he's with you. When a guy hears this from a girl, it means that she's looking forward to seeing him and spending time with him. This is a major sign of interest and will definitely make him want to be around you more. Number 4. You're such a gentleman when you're with me. This one is a classic. It's been used for years because it works like magic. Men love to feel needed and appreciated, and this phrase makes them feel just that. Through all ages, guys have been seen as the protectors and providers. And even though times have changed, this innate desire to be needed by a woman is still there. When you make a guy feel like he's being a gentleman and that you appreciate it, he will naturally want to do more for you and be around you more. When you say this phrase, you are simply sending a subcortical message that activates his natural desire to protect you. And there's nothing more attractive to a man than a woman who needs him. Number 5. Thank you for doing that. This phrase is so simple, but it's so powerful. Guys love to feel useful and needed, and this phrase tells them that you see them as just that. It makes them feel good about themselves and their ability to help you. When you express gratitude towards a guy, it not only makes him feel good about himself, but it also makes him feel good about being with you. He will want to do more for you and be around you more because it makes him feel needed and appreciated. For example, let's say he holds the door open for you or buys you a coffee. Just saying thank you will make him feel good, but adding for doing that will make him feel even better. It's a small gesture that goes a long way. Number 6. You're so sweet. Men are often seen as tough and stoic, but the truth is that they have a soft side too. And when you compliment a guy on his sweetness, it makes him feel good about himself and his ability to be gentle and caring. This phrase is also a great way to disarm a guy if he's feeling nervous or tense. When you tell a guy he's sweet, it takes the pressure off of him and makes him feel more relaxed around you. Number 7. You make me feel safe. Even if they're not consciously thinking about it, all men want to feel like they can protect and provide for the women in their lives. And when you tell a guy that he makes you feel safe, it hits him right in the feelings. According to a study done by the University of Groningen, men are more attracted to women who make them feel like they can protect and provide for them. So if you want to make a guy instantly fall for you, tell him that he makes you feel safe. Number 8. You're so different from other guys. Many guys have heard the phrase, "You're not like other guys" before, but this one is a little different. When you tell a guy that he's different from other guys, it means that you see him as an individual, and not just another member of the male species. It also tells him that you appreciate him for who he is, and that you're not just looking for any old guy to fill a void in your life. This is a major sign of interest, and will definitely make him want to be around you more. He will feel special and unique, and he will want to reciprocate by being the best possible version of himself around you. Number 9. You are the best! Even if he's not the best at everything, every guy wants to feel like he's the best at something. And when you tell him that he's the best, it makes him feel good about himself and his abilities. This phrase is also a great way to boost a guy's confidence if he's feeling down or insecure. When you tell a guy that he's the best, it gives him a much-needed ego boost and makes him instantly feel better about himself. Number 10. I like your way of thinking. This one is so powerful because it not only tells a guy that you like him, but it also tells him that you respect and admire his way of thinking. It's a compliment that is both personal and intellectual, and it will definitely make him feel good about himself. When you tell a guy that you like his way of thinking, it shows him that you're interested in his thoughts and opinions. It also tells him that you value his intelligence and that you think he's a deep thinker. This is a major turn-on for guys and will make him want to be around you even more. Number 11. You're so funny! Laughter is one of the most important things in a relationship, and telling a guy that he's funny is a great way to show him that you enjoy spending time with him. It's also a great way to make him feel good about himself and his sense of humor. When you make a guy laugh, it releases happy chemicals in his brain and makes him feel good. It also helps him relax and feel more comfortable around you. This will make him feel more comfortable because it will show him that you're interested in his sense of humor. Number 12. I can't stop smiling when I'm with you. This phrase will make his face light up like the sun. When you tell a guy that you can't stop smiling when you're with him, it means that you enjoy his company and that he makes you happy. It's also a great way to show him that you're attracted to him and that you find him irresistible. This phrase will definitely make him want to be around you more and will make him think about you, even when you're not around. Number 13. You're such a great listener. One of the most attractive qualities in a man is his ability to listen. When you tell a guy that he's a great listener, it means that you feel heard and understood by him. It also shows him that you value his opinion and that you think he's wise. This phrase will make him feel good about himself and his ability to communicate with you. It will also make him want to listen to you even more and will encourage him to open up to you about his own thoughts and feelings. Number 14. I'm proud of you. When you tell a guy that you're proud of him, it means that you think he's done something commendable. It's also a great way to show him your support and encouragement. Men search for admiration and respect, and telling him that you're proud of him will definitely make him fall for you. This phrase is also a great way to build up his confidence and make him feel like he can accomplish anything. Final thoughts. As you can see, there are a lot of phrases that you can use to make a guy fall for you instantly. But it's important to remember that words are only part of the equation. Your body language, tonality, and overall energy will also play a big role in how he responds to you. So the next step is to watch this video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to attract guys without saying anything. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.